unbox your NanoFil system, here are all the components to look for. NanoFils at a volume of 10 microliters or below will be supplied with a microfill kit to help with filling your syringe. Use of this is optional. As with lower volume samples, like 3 microliters or less, front filling with a syringe pump is preferred to ensure accuracy of sample loading. Here is a breakdown of your NanoFil. From left to right, your NanoFil is supplied with a 26 gauge needle, an end cap, a gasket, and a NanoFil syringe barrel. The NanoFil will come assembled, but it is likely you will need a smaller outer diameter needle to execute your studies. WPI sells 33, 34, 35, and 36 gauge NanoFil blunt or beveled needles. A NanoFil syringe must be used with a NanoFil needle. However, all gauges are cross-compatible with any of WPI's NanoFil syringe offerings. To assemble your 33, 34, 35, or 36 gauge blunt or beveled needle to your NanoFil syringe, unscrew your end cap and set aside the cap and the gasket. Carefully remove your NanoFil needle by depressing the blue foam on one side of your needle and grab its 26 gauge base. Be sure not to remove by over-tilting your needle base, as your needle tip will crash into the casing, bending the needle and compromising its functionality. Lift straight up and away from the container. Take your end cap in one hand and slip it over the 26 gauge base of your NanoFil needle. Next, carefully slip your gasket over the NanoFil needle base, about 1/4 inch or so. Then insert your needle assembly into the opening of the NanoFil syringe barrel base. Screw on your cap roughly halfway, enough that you can still adjust the depth of your needle into the barrel. Align the needle to the 0 microliter mark and tighten the end cap. If you have any questions, just give us a call.